Hi everyone, bonjour et bonsoir. We are back with another video in No Break November. This one will be about beautiful starter locks. I really do love starting locks. So this video won't be too much of a tutorial. The way it's recorded and the angles, it's if you're a beginner and you really want to learn about locks, you really want to learn how to do locks, it's not really going to teach you that because it's really just showing the starter locks. However, to remedy this situation, even the videos where I really made it a tutorial, it was still hard for people to learn because it's just really me sharing my perspective and not really interacting or giving feedback or going step by step. So to remedy that, we have courses coming later on in the month, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get into these starter locks. So as you guys can see, there was a color change. She wanted something nice and vibrant, so we went ahead and gave her a nice even color. It was very beautiful. And from there, we went on to do her starter locks. She wanted box parting, so that's what we went with, but she wanted them very, very small. Now, when a client wants the locks very, very small, I do give small locks. A lot of stylists are like, no, that's too small, or they'll start calling it micro locks at a certain point, but these are not micro locks. They're just small locks. As you can see, they're not micro locks at all. But I like to give people what they want with moderation. So what she wanted was much smaller than this, but if we're gonna let it grow traditionally and retwist, it cannot be too much smaller than this. So she ended up with about 160 locks, which I think is very fair for her head size, her hair density, and the texture of her hair strands. And it came out beautifully, nice and full, and it was just so gorgeous when we were done. She loved it. Everyone in the shop loved it. But yeah, so this is the maximum I would have went for her hair. At this point, like I said, a lot of people start calling them micro locks, but these are not at all micro locks. Micro locks have a whole different number and the system and how you pick the number. Same with sister locks, but these are not sister locks. These are just small locks. And it's okay to give small locks if you do it in moderation, and she can always come back and get a retwist. I have several clients that have very small locks and their locks do just fine. As long as you take care of your hair with any size, you have to take care of it to make sure you maintain the optimum health of your hair. You cannot just let it go. Small locks especially, because your hair is parted into much more sections, many more sections I should say. All right, and that's it for this video. If you all would like to book appointments with us, please visit our website and you'll see our availability. I love the fact that we have more stylists now, because if I'm not available, you can book with another stylist where we all work on the same team. It's not like there are a stylist that I'm not affiliated with. Anyone that we are affiliated with is on the booking site or the website. If they're claiming to be and they're not on the site, they're not. So please be aware of that, because I've gotten some of that going on. And that's it for this video, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos and more announcements throughout the month. Bye, guys.